Right then, question 24 is done. Now on to question 25 of this chapter 6. Question 24 incidentally did a solve with three simultaneous equations, which to some degree I got horribly wrong. I made one mistake on it somewhere, and then it compounded into error. But if you want to see that done, it's there. Question 25 then is asking us to do it the other way, which once you've got your circle, so let me see, we've got points A minus 7, 7, B 1, 9, and C, D, oh no, A, B, and D, D, there it is, minus 7, 1, okay, and they're all on a circle, and they want to know, oh, hang on, no, they do give us a C as well, look at that, C, 3, 1, okay, and they want to find A, the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so the perpendicular bisector of AB, AB midpoint, going from minus 7 to 1 is a distance of 8. Okay, half of that is 4, so minus 7 plus 4 minus 3. And then for the midpoint on the y, 7, 8, 9, difference 2, add 1, 8. So the midpoint of AB is minus 3, 8. Okay, the slope of AB is the difference of the x's. I don't know why I put a bracket in there. Difference of the x's, which is minus 7 to minus 1, which is 8. Okay, and difference of the y's, which is 2. Now, minus 7, 7 going up to 9 is a positive slope, so 2/8, okay, which is the same as 1/4, which means the slope of the perpendicular bisector will be equal to minus 4, okay, because it's at right angles to it. Now that we've got that, we can say that y equals minus 4x plus c. We know a point on this bisector, i.e. minus 3, 8. Stick that in so we can find c. So we get 8 equals minus 4 times minus 3 plus c. 3 fours are 12, and it's positive, so minus 12. So minus 4 when you bring it over this side for c, giving you an equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB as y equals minus 4 minus x minus 4 for c. Now they want it for CD. Okay, so in exactly the same way, we go for the CD midpoint. Minus 7 to 3 is a difference of 10, so that's 5, 5, 6, 7 minus 2. Okay, 1 to 1, there is no, they're all on the y-axis, so it's still on the y of 1. There we go. Okay, the slope is going to be 0, but just to show you, slope of CD is going to be the difference of the x's, which we've just said is 10, difference of the y's, which is 0, which gives you 0 because it's on the same plane as on that 1. Okay, which means that the slope of the bisector, perpendicular bisector, isn't the inverse of 0 because this line is going straight across. It's going to be like that. It's in essence infinity, but what we know is it's going to be basically an x equals number. Okay, it's not going to exist. What do we have in terms of the y? We know that it's on minus 2, so it's going to give us x equals minus 2 as the bisector of that. So part B of this is asking us to find the equation of the circle. Okay, so now that we've got these two bisector equations, where they meet will be the center of the circle. Okay, I suppose at some point we should have really drawn a diagram so we can roughly see what's going on with this thing. Okay, so let's do it now and then we'll be able to elaborate on everything. Okay, so minus 7, 7, minus 7, 7 is out here for A, 1, 9, 1, 9, out here for B, D is minus 7, 1, for D, and C is 3, 1, 3. Maybe a bit further. 3, 1. There you go. Okay, so you get this. And so we have done a line from AB. We have done a line from DC. And the bisector on this was at minus 2. And so we end up with the bisector line of CD there, which is x equals 2. And we end up with the bisecting line of AB. Where does it look like it's about? That looks like it's at 90 degrees, and we'll just bring it across so it's in the middle more of that line. Something like that. Okay, so that's the center of the circle, and so you would end up with a circle sort of like that, with that being the center. Okay, so let's quickly solve that in terms of where the center is. So we end up with y equals minus 4 minus 2, just substituting this minus 2 in, minus 4, and so y equals minus 8, but it's positive 8 minus 4, which equals 4. So there we go, we've got minus 2, 4, okay, for that point of the center. With that all done, we can now start making our equation for the circle, which is going to be x minus minus 2, which makes it a plus 2, squared, plus y minus 4 squared equals the radius squared. Okay, but we're not worried about it being the radius squared, we just want the number that goes there. So now choosing any of the points that we started with, let's go for A at minus 7 and 7. We can do minus 7 plus 2 squared plus 7 minus 4 squared is equal to this. What's that? 5, 6, 7, yeah, minus 5, 25. 7 minus 4, 3, 9. 34. So our final equation for the circle is going to be x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals